When I was in the military, I was in communications and target systems. Obviously, I wasn't going to get another job doing that here as a civilian, and so I set up a company in 2012. Now we look after maintenance at 6 resorts. We have 80 tubs that we balance on a weekly basis. We do snow removal, you name it, we'll do it. My name's Tony, we're in Kimberley, BC, and I run a hot tub and maintenance business with my beautiful wife, Tracy. We've had days on the mountain where it's dumped 15, 20 centimeters. The people on the resort, they're paying us, they're expecting us to go up there and shovel the sidewalks, make sure the driveway is good so they can go to work. If we didn't have those vehicles, if we weren't driving the Tundra or the Tacoma, there's no saying we could get up to the mountain actually to start the work. Even when we beat the city and it's not plowed and it's not salted, like I have no problem at all knowing that we're going to get to the job site for sure.